This is the principal speaking to you. We are publishing our newsletter of the primary, which is published in every semester, and already you know that this is the showcase of all the activities performed in the primary section, which help you to understand what are the activities that students are doing, involving, and our teachers are conducting in the classrooms, and how the students are benefited by these things. This is the opportunity for the parents also to know about the performance of their ward and how they will help or cooperate the teachers and their wards to come up with the expectation of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I wish all the best to all my teachers of PRTs for publishing this newsletter in time, and to all the parents and the students also who involved in the activities of the Vidyalaya, and I hope for the best from all of this, and they will certainly learn from their peer group also the lot. So let us all of us interact together. This is a very difficult situation now, and we are trying to do the best. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
नमस्कार सभी को. KVS is a pioneer institute in education sector which sets the tone for future. You can solve a problem only when you rise above to the next level, said Albert Einstein. Keeping this in mind, in this critical situation, we are trying to keep teaching learning process live and interactive. Alumni of our Vidyalaya have paid fees of more than 70 students to enable them to continue their studies. Today, distance learning is the new normal, and we are conducting classes as well as all our activities online. When everything is changing, we decided to switch over from our newsletter to news video. This is a small attempt to showcase the activities we are conducting in our Vidyalaya. We look forward for your valuable comments and suggestions. Wear mask, wash hands regularly, keep physical distance, and work safely. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rekha, PRT of KVOF Bhandara. I tried to put all the activities of online teaching during April to September in this video. Hope you will like it. Thank you.
Online classes, I have developed one stylus. This stylus is made up of aluminum foil, sketch pen, earbud and copper wire. I use this stylus to write on the digital board to teach the online classes there. Here you can see something is written. Here I can write anything. See here.
म्यूज़िक थेरेपी एक ऐसी थेरेपी होती है जिसमें मानसिक और शारीरिक रोगों को संगीत के माध्यम से ठीक करने की कोशिश की जाती है। दुनिया भर में हुए शोधों से ये साबित हो चुका है कि भारतीय संगीत के खास रागों से गंभीर बीमारियों को ठीक किया जा सकता है।
Morning. The global pandemic COVID-19 has changed the scenario of teaching learning process. As a result, virtual classes have taken the place of real classroom. In accordance with that, KV Bhandara also started online classes from the month of June. Students are taught through Google Meet platform. Daily we are having online class for 2 subjects of 40 minutes each. The class is very interactive. As teacher explain the lesson, ask question, give practice worksheet and take periodic tests. It is a very nice, new and enriching experience. The system adopted by our school is very good. The efforts put in by the teachers are really appreciable. To conclude, I, Alok Amrit Raj of class 5th A, on behalf of my schoolmates, would like to thank KV Bhandara and all the teachers for their sincere efforts, due to which our 2020-21 session is going to be a new milestone in our life. Thank you.
Good morning all. My name is Srish Bhagat. I am studying class 3rd. I welcome all the students of class 1st to our Kendriya Vidyalaya under Shakti Bhandara. On behalf of our principal sir, HM sir, teachers and students, warm welcome new buddies. Thank you. Triangle, this is standing line, this is capital C. Thank you, ma'am.
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो अभी चल रही हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छी हैं। इसका सकारात्मक प्रभाव यह है कि हम भी अपने बच्चों को के साथ उस क्लास को अटेंड कर पाते हैं और जान पाते हैं कि बच्चे किस प्रकार से सीख रहे हैं। टीचर्स जो भी मैटर भेजते हैं ऑनलाइन में व्हाट्सएप में, तो वो हमारे काफ़ी काम आता है और भी दूसरे बच्चों को बच्चे देख पा रहे हैं करते हुए, तो वो उससे भी प्रोत्साहित होते हैं। इस कोरोना काल के समय में जो टीचर्स अपने कर्तव्य का पालन कर रहे हैं वो वाकई बहुत सराहनीय है। मैं इसके लिए केंद्रीय विद्यालय और उसके सारे स्टाफ को मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ।